What's up, y'all? I definitely want to get me on video, so I guess I'm on video, man. I'm just changing out my ignition coil. My 95 1500. Just taking it off this little. As you can see, this is like the manifold for it. It's my old crappy. You can see it's fucking. It's done. Look at that. This ignition coil is done for me. Looks like crap. As you can see, it's already, 25 years old. Show them the new one. MSD product. Shout out MSD. Performance part. Alright, let's take this off. Alright, it's 2 screws. Alright, it has 2 screws, so we're gonna take those off. We're gonna reuse them. Take it off. Look at that. Look at that old paint. Look at that. Oh, dude.
Noah! Winnie's in here! Who's Winnie?
Huh?
Winnie? Do you know where Winnie is?
Uh-uh.
She's in here.
What? Oh. Sure, they got some new washers. Those are shit. So this is gonna pop off. What was that? What was that?
Sorry.
The bolts are still intact, but it's just that washer. I don't like it. Wow, this thing is like so old. It's like stuck. Wow. Look at that, Noah. Look at that. You look that part number up, bro. 25-year-old part. Or actually 30-year-old part. Wow. Oh my gosh, where is that? Where is that? She's got her hair split. Why? Oh my god. How are you gonna take a video outside? How are you gonna take a video outside?
I'm gonna have to go do it all the way.
Use your phone, dude. That's just what I thought you were gonna do.
My phone's screen time. Can't even use my camera in my screen time.
Brand new, baby.
Alright, y'all. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Come on now. Be outside with his brother. Let's see this shit, dude. Close it up. What? Fuck do you play this right? Like I'm trying to play some shit and fucking. No, baby, I'm doing mechanics.
Okay, y'all can't even see me. Kind of, but.
Ooh. Come here, baby. Let's go put this part on. That's why I asked, how are you gonna...
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to keep the flashlight on. Alright, I think I know how to. Depends where you're gonna put it at.
Let's see, brother. Oh. It's right here.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. It's in an ugly spot. It's right there.
Okay, you're gonna have to keep the flashlight on or something.
What the freak? Do we? Water?
Or do I stop this and you just put the ignition coil on through that?
For what?
Like, just that, like, on, I don't know.
I don't know.
My stomach hurts.
Or that. Or I put it on. I put it on backwards, right?
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna be able to see that.
Right here? I don't think so. Oh.
Let me know if y'all can see that, because I can barely even see it. I can barely even see the camera. Hold up, y'all. Tomorrow or something. I don't know. I'm gonna part 2 tomorrow.
Why?
I don't know. It's dark, y'all.
You know what? You can get a video.
Huh?
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 I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
This is gonna be a hard video.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, my friend is there. He's cool.
Alright, cool.
Alright, let's see. Let me know if y'all can see this, y'all. I'm not gonna post it probably right now, but I'm gonna look through it. Trying not to drop my computer. Trying not to drop my computer. Because if I drop it, it's a goner. What's that thing called whenever you like touch it, it burns you?
What? What?
The thing that when it, like at the bottom, you know how when you touch it like it burns you? What's it called? The motor oil or what's it called?
What's going on?
Like the thing at the bottom, it burns. It's like it's metal.
The thing at the bottom? The muffler?
Yeah, that. The muffler.
Yeah, what happened?
What's like that burns you, right?
Fuck yeah, the whole truck will. This bitch is fucking.
It's funny.
This bitch is no joke. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Meth? Meth, yeah, like
Hey,
meth.
sorry, we have a
Meth
lot of stuff to do.
dreams.
This is a big family where we talk and stuff like that.
Yeah, hold on, I got another call. ¿Qué pasó, carnal? Fuck yeah, bro, I'm watching it, bro. I'm about to get all lit. I'm about to get all lit, eh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, that. I like that. Remember that. Hey, huh? I'm over here doing some shit to my truck, watching the fight. Huh? Yeah, I'm with my homeboy. Shit, what's up? You trying to get some? What you got on it? Yeah. They are, right?
It's in 2 fights. It's in 2 fights.
Oh, 2 fights. My nephew said 2 fights.
Is that your friend Jason?
No, Jacob.
Oh.
Yeah. Remember Jacob?
Which one? This brother?
No, it's my camarada, the one.
Was the one at the last party?
Yeah, that party. Remember we went to that party?
Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, with the little doggy, right? Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's cool. Hey, wait, I just installed this fucking brand new ignition coil. Wait, that hell looks live on my truck.
Alright, y'all. Well, we did install the ignition coil. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace out. Let's get it.